Hello children, I hope all of you are well and safe. We have so far finished 3 parts of lesson 2. Today I will start 4th and last part of this chapter altogether. Here we have another set of pictures. There are 6 pictures and we have to describe these pictures. Observe them minutely and describe the activities in the picture. Story based on these pictures. First picture. A potter collecting soil for making pots. His donkey is standing beside. The second picture. He is loading the soil filled sack on the back of donkey. I am repeating again. He is loading the soil filled sack on the back of donkey. Third picture. He is making earthen pots. Again I am telling. Third picture. He is making earthen pots. In the fourth picture, he has made many pots and stacked them for sale. Again I am repeating. He has made many pots and stacked them for sale. Fifth picture. He is transporting pots by a pickup van to the market for sale. I am telling again. He is transporting pots by a pickup van to the market for sale. Sixth picture. He is selling pots in the market. Sixth picture. He is selling pots in the market. Now there are some question answers on this story. First question. From where does the potter bring grass for the donkey? The potter brings grass from a nearby field for the donkey. This question is from your textbook. So, this answer you will write in your notebook. Next question. Who may be bringing water for the potter to soak soil? I am repeating question. Who may be bringing water for the potter to soak soil? This question is from your textbook. Answer. The donkey brings water for the potter to soak soil. Answer. The donkey brings water for the potter to soak soil. This answer you will write in your notebook. Next question. Who would help the potter to make pots? This question is from your textbook. Answer is his family helps the potter to make pots. This answer you will write in your notebook. Next question. What may the potter require to fire the pots? This question is from your textbook. Answer. The potter requires a kiln in the pit and firewood to fire the pots. This answer you have to write in the notebook. Next question. Who would sell the things required for heating the pots to the potter? This question is from your textbook. Answer is brick manufacturer will sell brick for the kiln and firewood seller would sell firewood to the potter. This answer you have to write in notebook. Next question. Have you ever purchased a pot? This question also from your textbook. Answer is yes, I have purchased a pot. This answer you have to write in your notebook. Next question. What other purposes is the pot used for? This question is from your textbook. Answer is the pot, apart from storing water, is also used for keeping grains, milk, sweets and making curd. Again I am telling the answer. The pot, apart from storing water, is also used for keeping grains, milk, sweets and making curd. This answer you have to write in your notebook. Here some MCQs are there. I have given the answer. Understand and learn this. First question. What is the cot for sleeping or sitting made of? Answer is B. Wood. Question number 2. Why does Rupal not go to school? Answer is C. Rupal is suffering from polio and hence she is unable to work. Question number 3. Which of the following professionals is concerned with the production of cotton used for making cloth? Answer is A. Farmer. Number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following professionals makes pot used for storing water? Answer is D. Potter. Question number 5. The washerman is a professional. He is connected to which of the following profession? Answer is B. He washes our clothes. Here some fill in the blanks are there. I have done this for you. First, that is potter makes dash for us. Answer is pots. Second, that is we go to dash for buying vegetables. Costermonger. Answer is costermonger. Number 3, the dash stitches our cloth. The tailor stitches our cloth. Number 4, we must dash our environment. We must protect our environment. Number 5, humans need dash and dash to live. Humans need shelter, clothes and food to live. Next, that is true false. Actually, make a tick mark against the true statement and cross against the false statement. First, that is Rupal was unable to walk as she was suffering from polio. This is right. Second, that is the farmer makes pots and bricks. This is wrong. You know that. Number 3, ice cream is made from milk. That is right. Number 4, Aryan came to Ahmedabad for studies. This is also right. Number 5, the washerman washes our clothes. This is also right. Various kinds of professionals are connected with each other. Explain, given instances, how the things in the following slide are united or connected with various professions. First example of pot is given in the book. So, what we see here is that the profession is making pot, potter makes the pot, driver transports the pots and businessman sells the pot. So, potter, driver, businessman are all in different profession but connected with pot. In the same way, second example of ice cream and the third example of clothes are to be solved. In second example, ice cream is made from milk. Milk is produced in animal husbandry. Businessman produces ice cream. Vendors sell ice cream. In the third example of cloth, tailors stitch cloth, shopkeepers sell cloth and washerman washes cloth. So, let us see what we learned in this lesson. Number 1, we all live a comfortable life with the support of many people in the society. Number 2, people in different professions work hard to give us many facilities. Number 3, all works are equally important. Number 4, we create all facilities using the resources available in the nature. Number 5, it is our moral duty to protect and preserve the nature for our future. Today we have finished our second lesson here. See you again in the next class.